Hey, I'm Matt Llewellyn with the Metrolinx Media Relations team, and I'm here at the Eglinton Maintenance and Storage Facility, where, as you can see behind me, the first vehicle has arrived, and it was really quite something. There was staff lined up all along the guardrails here at the maintenance facility watching this monumental moment, and the vehicle actually came down an offloading ramp and was rolled into place by what's called a shunt truck. To talk to me a little bit about what it actually took to get that vehicle here, I'm joined by Ben from Western Dimensional. And Ben, your team was really monumental from getting this from the facility in Kingston here to the Eglinton Maintenance and Storage Facility. Tell me a little bit about what that actually entailed.
So we've been working with Bombardier for 6 months to about a year on putting together the delivery kind of program for these vehicles, coming up with a suitable route, dealing with permits from all the different municipalities and regions we had to go through. Routing for these was a little bit difficult. They're fairly long and fairly high. It's on an 8-axle hydraulic platform trailer. And then also working in coordination with Crosslinks, coming up with a suitable unload methodology for getting these off of the trailer and onto the ground.
Three pretty significant differences to these vehicles and the new TTC streetcars that you've likely seen. For one, these vehicles you can see behind me have doors on both sides. The TTC only has doors on one side. The pantograph, that's the part that actually comes up from the top of the LRV and touches the electrical wire. Well, this one's more modern. It's a little bit different in design. And the third and probably the biggest difference that you'll see between these vehicles and the TTCs is that there are no Presto machines on board. There's no way to pay, and that's because the Crosstown will be very similar to the Go system, which is that you tap before actually heading down to track level. From now until 2021, when the Eglinton Crosstown opens, that 76 vehicles in total will be brought here to the Eglinton Maintenance and Storage Facility. This facility has capacity for 135 different vehicles as service levels increase. And for more updates and to see some really cool videos like the one that you're watching right now, be sure to check out the Crosstown website. And of course, you can always follow us on Twitter.